Hi there, here we have the 2016 on a 66 plate Mini Clubman. This is the 1.5 Cooper 5-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So starting off with the front, as you can see it does have the front sensors. Front bumper, there is no marks, no scratches, no scuffs. Moving on to the bonnet, once again nice and clean. As you see yourself, there is no dents, no chips, no marks, so nothing untowards, and it is as it should be. Alloys, nice and clean. As you can see there, they haven't been marked, which is very nice. Just to confirm, it is a one owner from new, with full Mini service history. Rushmore's have also done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. As well as the front parking sensors, it does also have the rear sensors. It does have the park pilot, which comes on the screen there. I'll show you once we jump inside the vehicle. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the vehicle. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months, but this is something we highly recommend at Rushmore's. If there is any further questions, or you wanted to know a bit more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down here, or even over the phone, we can give you more options. So you've seen the exterior in great condition, won't disappoint on viewing. Let's have a look at the interior as well. So front passenger door, as you can see, it does have the electric windows. Moving on onto the dash, nice and clean. There is no marks on the screen there as well, so that the screen doesn't have any scratches. I know it is quite common for the screens to have scratches on them, however that's not the case. Seats are nice and clean as well. The car's been fully validated by us, and as you can see there is no tears on the seats. Moving on to the back seats as well, it does have the electric windows. As you can see there on the door handles, it does have the ambient lighting, which is onto the screen just there at the front as well, which I'll show you once we go around to the front of the vehicle. Back seats nice and clean. It does have the Isofix as well, so a nice safety point for the children. And as you can see there, everything as it should be. So being the Clubman, the back doors do open sideways, so I'll demonstrate for you. So that's the first door, and then the second door as well. There we go. And then let's have a look at the boot space as well. So pretty nice boot space with the Clubman. And then that's the doors shut as well. Right, so let's go through the back seats once more. As you see, it does have the electric rear windows. Seats are nice and clean. There is no tears on the seats. The car's been fully validated by us, as I mentioned earlier. It is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Right, so front driver's side door, as you can see, it does have the controls for the front and rear windows. You do also have the electric door mirrors, so you can adjust the mirrors once you are inside the vehicle. Obviously, once again, it does have the ambient lighting onto the on the door handles. It is keyless go, so as you can see there, the key can be left in your pocket, and it does also have the start and stop engine button, as you see just there. So the key, as I say, can be left in your pocket and you can drive the car. Obviously, if the key is not inside the vehicle, then you cannot turn the car on. So as you can see there, that's the control for the screen, which I'll turn on now. So let's turn on the engine. Right, so that's the screen turning on there. As you can see, inside nice and clean. There is no odours, there is no tears on seats, and the dash is nice and clean. As you saw there, that's the ambient lighting on the just above the screen there. So let's go on to the sat nav. As you can see, starting, so just bear with me. Right, that's sorting out. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. So it is a multifunctional steering wheel. You can connect your phone as well onto the Bluetooth, and then you can answer the call. There, it does have the auto wipers. So the sat nav, as you can see there, that's the map there, and then you can add your destination. Let's go on to the radio. The radio is a DAB radio media, so you do have the Bluetooth and the aux as well, so you can connect your phone through Bluetooth and play your music on YouTube, Spotify, you name it, can be done. Telephone, obviously there is no phone connected at the moment, but you can connect your phone, and if there is any phone calls, they'll go on to the screen there. It'll show you who's calling, and you have the option to answer the call or decline it, pressing that button there. So as you can see there is the warning interior vention collision, so as you see there, aux and the USB input, as you see just there. And then let's put the parking sensors on as well. So there is a button just there, the P, where you see that. There is the button there, you can touch that button, and then as you can see on the screen there, the park pilot comes on, and you can see how close you are to the front or the back of another car, or let's say fence, wherever you are. As you can see there, as I'm just showing you, the condition is absolutely immaculate. It does also have the electric handbrake, so you don't have to it's not like the older cars. It does have just a flick, which is nice to have. Just a recap before we finish off the video. As you can see, it was in immaculate condition inside and out, and will not disappoint on viewing. One owner from new with full mini service history. Rushmore's have also done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the Platinum RAC warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that's all included within the price of the car. If there is any further questions, or you need finance arranging, don't hesitate to give us a call, as we'll be more than happy to help you out. Alright, thanks for watching.